Hi friends! So I recently had a bunch of people who participated in my monthly BOGO for buy On Guard and Breathe in the rollers, and then you got two bags, one of the Breathe and one of the On Guard lozenges. And so I just wanted to pop on real quick and talk about how to use these for those of you who got them. And if you didn't get them, they're still available, just not with the free lozenges, but they're still awesome. So to start with On Guard, so this one is a blend of oils that is for strengthening immune systems. It's known as the protective blend. It's got wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary in it. So this one, both of these rollers are touch rollers. That means that they're already pre-diluted with coconut fractionated oil, so that these are safe to use as is on babies and kids. The best way to use them on our kiddos is just to take off the lid. It's got the steel roller on it, and just like roll it on the bottom of their feet, or with the Breathe, like roll it on their chest. So with On Guard, it's a good idea to just roll this on the bottom of kids' feet on a daily basis, just to create a habit, especially those who are school age. And so just roll on the bottom of the feet helps to build or support the immune system. But particularly when there's like a really bad cold or flu going around, or your kids or you are starting to get some symptoms, you can kind of up this to like, a little more frequently than just once a day. Also, this is a great one if like you're starting to get like a really bad like sore throat or cough. You can just roll this directly onto the throat, and same with kids. Some maybe unknown uses for On Guard is that it supports the urinary tract system. So if you're ever having any uncomfortable urinary tract symptoms, you could just roll this directly onto the lower abdomen. This is also good for cold sores and infected wounds, and so you would just roll that directly onto the area. Some of those things can be contagious, or you might not want to roll it directly on, so you could just like roll it onto like a clean hand and then apply to like the cold sore or the wound, or even like roll it onto a Band-Aid, a sterilized Band-Aid, rub it onto the Band-Aid and then apply it. So good for that. So there's some of the main ones. This is also if you're out and about and you have this on hand, and one's hands are a little bit yucky and you don't have like a hand sanitizing spray, that's okay. You could just take this and again just roll it on your hands, and then roll them together, and that can help to clean your hands until you get to a bathroom to wash them. Breathe, this is the respiratory blend. So anything respiratory, Breathe is going to be good for. So with the kids, again, especially the smaller ones, simply rubbing this on the bottom of their feet is like going to help open up their airways. You could also apply it directly to the chest. This one just smells so amazing, but it is safely diluted for kiddos, again, because it's a touch oil. But you just rub this on the bottom of the feet, on the chest, on the back of the chest, or on the back. You could even like put this underneath your nostrils. With kids, I would not apply on their face, but you could just rub it under your nostrils, help you breathe, but also good for your sinuses, so you could rub on your sinus area. So top uses for this are pneumonia, asthma, allergies, cough, congestion, bronchitis, influenza, sinusitis, and restful sleep. So if you got a snorer in your house, this is a good one to load them up with before they go to sleep. But again, during the back to school days, or when sickness is high in different seasons, this is a great one just to apply daily or as symptoms present themselves. This one has laurel, peppermint, eucalyptus, melaleuca, lemon, ravensara, and cardamom in it, and it smells amazing. So those are how to use those 2 oils. For those of you who did participate in the BOGO, you also got the lozenges. Enjoy, because those are pretty tasty. Those of you that didn't get a chance to buy these, you still can at any time. But let me know if you have any questions on how to use these 2 fantastic oils, especially with all the kiddos, teachers going back to school. Have a great day, guys.